In this video, I'm going to teach you simple solutions on how to fix can't type in the search bar or keyboard is not working in your search bar in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. The first solution that you can do is that press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'll be able to bring up a small window called run. So I will provide you a run command at the description box below. You can copy it or either type that. It is C colon backward slash Windows backward slash system 32 backward slash ctf mon dot exe. Once done typing, click on the OK button. In that way, you'd be able to fix the problem. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the second solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial like this. So the second and last solution that you can do is that press Ctrl Alt and Delete key together. Again, Ctrl Alt and Delete key together. In that way, you'll be able to see a block window where here you can find Task Manager. Click on that one, and you'd be able to open the Task Manager in a few moments. Or either press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together. Your Escape key is being placed aligning your function keys at the upper side of the keyboard. And here in the Task Manager, directly proceed to the processes at the left pane. Click on it. And under the processes, you need to find for Windows Explorer. So it might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So make sure that you select the one that is running. So because the other one is not running based on the CPU, GPU, and memory here. So select the one that is running, make a right click and click on restart. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so by that you can navigate here at the search bar and try to type anything and check if the keyboard is not working this time, or you can now type here at the search bar. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.